And that's the joint we're going after right here. There you go. So it's just a quick little push. And there it goes. There you go. How was it?
That was good.
Oh, great. And that's the joint we're going after right here. There you go. So it's just a quick little push. And there it goes. There you go. How was it?
That was good.
All you have to do is just let that relax. Nice and easy. There you go. Okay. I'm just going to get right up under there. There it is right there. Okay, just nice and easy.
What the fuck? What the hell was that? That was my entire neck. What the hell? Oh my god, you can't post that. I just swore. Sorry. Holy shit.
Oh, that was a good one.
That was so good.
This is a weird one. And all you have to do is just relax, bring the head over like this. There you go. Wow. That was good.
This is my favorite thing in the world.
Go like this, elbows together for me. That's it. You're just going to lean back onto me, and then I'm going to give you a little lift up. Okay, that's all it is. Chin up for me now. Oh, so good. Oh my God. Fantastic. That's right. That's it right there. Just let that roll. Oh, that's better. And then you're just going to put your chin down a little bit and just lean back onto me. Oh. You're alright?
That was louder than I thought it was.
Good, isn't it? And then on this one, your hands just go on top of mine. That's it. Chin down, elbows a little bit closer together, leaning back. Oh, that got them all. Wow. Oh, there you go. Oh, good. That's it. For me.
Oh.
Yes. Oh. That's it. Over here as well. That's great. All right, here we go.
I don't know whether to laugh or cry.
Yeah. So clearly you were holding a lot of tension in your neck.
Just a little bit.
Keep that just like that. And just let that roll towards me. I'm going to put some pressure down. And there it is. Pretty good, isn't it? Okay, that's going to be challenging to adjust. A little bit closer to me. That's it. Okay, Moz, move your bum, please. Yeah. There we go. Oh. Here we go. Nice. That definitely got the SI joint on that right and L5 on the left. Just let that go. Wow. That was nice.
That was good.
And you've got another one for me. That's it right here. Okay, nice and easy. That's it. Wow.